So this is our first video for 2020, our first real actual product video, review video. Over time, been sick, the usual stuff. There were two kind of podcast things, but that was like failed attempts of trying to live stream. But here we are. Today we're talking about the Yeti X from Blue Microphones. So this is a culmination of all the things that they've learned throughout the years, and they've put all that together and updated one of their top selling products, which is the regular Yeti. And this is the new and improved modernized version of that. So we've had this for about a few months, and after a lot of time and diligence, we're finally ready to talk to you guys about it and let you know, should this be your new mic or should you pass? We will be doing this entire video, of course, using it. So you can really check the audio quality. I made sure to do no effects, no different things, just straight recording. Actually the voiceover right into Final Cut and just syncing it with the camera A-roll, so you can really see what the audio quality is going to sound like. So it's hard to believe that the original Yeti is over 10 years old as of last year. So when you compare the Yeti X to the older one, there are some differences. So the original one has 3 condenser capsules capable of 16-bit sounds and a 2.2 pound weight, while the Yeti X offers 4 condenser capsules capable of 24-bit sound and a little bit heavier at 2.8 pounds. As you can see, a lot of things are just, other than being streamlined, a lot of things are the same. This still comes off, you still have the stand, you still have the 4 recording patterns of cardioid, bidirectional, stereo, omnidirectional. And but one of the cooler things they have here is the smart knob. So with the smart knob, gives you real-time LED metering for monitoring, and as well as custom LED lighting. So if the camera, so if you look on this side of the microphone, you can see the levels of them speaking. You can see as I'm starting to peak. If I'm talking too loud, I need to back away from the mic, move forward. I can raise the levels of different things. I can monitor headphone audio, as well as the microphone audio. And then when you dive into the Logitech G Hub app, which is free, you can customize the LED. So if you want a particular color, you can have it peak at red, yellow is almost peaking, green is regular. And then the ring itself on the smart knob, you can have that be whatever color you want. You can have it breathe, kind of like glow, dim to light, as it, kind of breathing. Have it constantly glow. You can have it glow when you do things. So you can really kind of, make this a pretty, part of your setup. So if you're a game streamer or you're YouTube or something and you have a LED setup, I obviously do not. You can have this work in tandem with that and make for a great visual experience as well as an audio one. Blue did a great job in kind of having enough features to make this kind of be like a must buy. I mean, it'd be nice if it had USB-C, but hey, we can't be choosy. For $170, and I think the original Yeti was like $200, so you're getting more for less. We'll have an affiliate link below for those of you interested in picking one up. And we appreciate you for doing so, and we appreciate you for stopping by, because you could be anywhere in the world, but you're here with us. And see you in the next video. Peace.